everybody, welcome back to my channel, Chanelly767. What's poppin'? Hope everybody's having a blessed, successful and wonderful day today. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Chanelly and my YouTube channel is about vlog, lifestyle and everything makeup. Today's video is my jewelry that I got locally right here in Dominica. So it's all about supporting local, right? So that's why I decided to show some love to my young entrepreneurship here in Dominica before I go, and I absolutely love every piece that I purchase from them. So the first thing that I got, actually it's not my personal purchase, actually it's a gift from a very dear friend of mine. She gave me this bracelet. I love it so much. It's in silver. This one is love. Then she have a picture of me on here, and then you have a crown, and then you have a diamond. This bracelet is adjustable and it fits very nicely in my hand like that, guys. And then I have another one that is a picture of her, which I don't want to show because she's not a social person. However, she do add a rose and a love pendant, and her picture is on there, and I absolutely love these bracelets, guys. Local Dominica. So the next thing that I got is this waistband that I saw NYX Caroline have, and I really love this waistband. I really love this waistband a lot. It is trending. It's been trending for a while now, but once I see NYX Caroline have this, I really decided I want to get one, and I purchased two from Rena, that's her name. I put her Instagram page right here for you, and the reason why I wanted two, both of them have meaning to it. The first one represents my favorite color and my favorite jewelry that I like to wear. So my favorite color, which you guys know, is chocolate brown, and the jewelry is gold, and I decided to add some black to it. I have the screw top right here, and of course I have shells to represent my small country Dominica, and this is what it looks like right there. Then the next waistband that I purchased from her, and you guys, from the looks of it, you guys say it's liberation color, you know. Duh, but no, this is actually every color in my national flag from Dominica, and I really wanted something to represent my island, so that's why I have them make all the colors from my national flag representing my island. So that's why I get this waistband. So I purchased two from her, my national flag and my favorite color, and the jewelry that I love to wear, which is gold. Next thing that I purchased in Dominica is from UNIXX, and you guys see twice already that I purchased from her and I cannot stop purchasing from her, so I decided to show you my entire collection that I purchased from her, and it's called UNIXX. This is her dust bag that she have a jewelry on, and I just put everything in this bag just to carry it as well when I was going home. Once you purchase from her, you get a dust bag like so. Then you have her flyer or business card with her name saying thank you, and you have 10% off your next purchase. And then the inside you have all the jewelry that she have. Also you have her logo, and also she have exercising like waist trainers and for the legs, etc., workout gear. So I have an earring that I purchased from her. It is the GG. It's with pearls, gold, diamonds in there, and when I first saw that on her site, I had to get it. It's really beautiful. I read this once when I had my ponytail here in one, not on the side but in one, and I absolutely love it. It's not too long, it's like right just around this area right there, and it's very beautiful. Look at the beauty in this. So that's from UNIXX. Then the other thing that I get from her is this Dominica pendant and this is always sold out on her site. It's gold once again, and it says Born Dominican, and I like how she shaped the bee like a hat on the side. Born Dominica jewelry. It's a chain. That's the knob for it, and this is what it looked like. Then the next thing that I got from her is this Louis Vuitton small earring. It's like the size of a knob, very classy, everyday type of knob, great for the office, like a chic. Both these two earrings represent chic, that's why I love them a lot. See, and this is what it looks like. Then the next thing that I got from her is this LV chain as well. Very beautiful chain. Let me show you the pendant. This is the back of it, and this is the front of it. Also a little one on the side right here. Adjustable strap right here. Beautiful, very nice and chic as well, simple and cute. And then the next thing that I purchased from her, guys, I love her stuff so much, I cannot, like I tell you, I cannot stop purchasing from her. This is the choker, and she just released this choker, and when she released it, I say, girl, I'm on the way. Literally, I tell her, girl, I'm on the way, I'm coming for this choker. And the beauty in it, look at this. Oh my god, so beautiful. So this is the front part. It comes with the back part, like chains, and you can hook it both ways. You can hook it like this, like that, or you can pin it with this pin right here and then hook it on there. So that's what I like about it. You can choose different ways to adjust the chain on there, and I absolutely, look at that. So that is what I got from her. That is it. That is my video today. Supporting, of course, local in Dominica, and this jewelry that I got from them is so beautiful, guys. I put the link in the description bar so you can go support them and show them some love in Dominica. And once again, thank you so much for you all for stopping by and watching. Until the next time, mwah. Peace, love always. Bye.